For the plank punch, we're going to start in a low plank position. Our forearms are going to be on the ground, and we're going to have strong fists with both hands. First, with our right hand leading, we're going to reach out and punch with our right hand. Bring the hand back to low plank. Alternate sides continuously. Our body loves to compensate for a weak core by shifting weight in the hips. Our biggest challenge is to maintain an equal hip level throughout. The longer our limbs are in suspension, the more work our body and our core are going to get. The slower, the better. Common mistakes for plank punches: allowing hips to sway to the side to compensate. Head looking forward, not reaching to full extension with our arms. This is the plank punch.